Namaskar students, CBSE Computer Science class 12. Today we will discuss about file handling in Python, how to work with text files. So in this video I will show you how to create a text file, how to write data into text file, then how to read data from text file, then how to close the file and opening file with using. So let us begin. So first of all we need to create one file here. So I am opening my Python ideally from start menu. Now simply just create one function as we are creating. Suppose I am creating file underscore text. Now when you want to create a file, so for creating file you have to use one file object. This is called file object equal to, then use this function open. Open function is used to open your file. Basically what we are doing, as I explained in previous video, when we are working in any file, first we are opening that file. Now here whatever task we are performing, that is called creating or writing or reading, this purpose. Right now when we are opening it, initially it was blank, now I have written something. So the same process we are going to perform with files. So here in files, first of all I will create file. So when we are going to create this file, write down the name of the file first. So here my text file. So this is my file name and I am going to write right now. Whenever you want to create a file, you have to use W here. W means it is mode, file mode. So in file mode you can write that is W. For read we will use R, and more options are also there that I will explain you in another video. But just here we are creating a simple file. So see, I have done file creation. So as I am telling you, whenever you are working with programs, go step by step. So this is our first step, creating file. So let me save this program. Just I am saving it on desktop. Text file 1, that is my program name. Click on save button. Now see, our program is successfully executed. Now let me check that file is created or not. File name which I have given, that is my text file, it is available here. See, right now it is blank file. Open with Notepad. It is blank file. Nothing is written inside the file. Now how to write in this file? So whenever you want to write, you have to use two functions. There are two functions to write in your file. First one is write only. So it will be written in this manner, file.write. So simple write like this, file.write, f.write, and one object. Okay, one f object is already mentioned over here. Okay, now write whatever text you want to write. Here I want to write, this is my first file using Python. So this I have written. Now close the file. When you complete your work, simply we are closing files. So here also f.close is used to close our files. Run it. F5, the program is completed. Now let me check whatever line I have written through that program, it is available here or not. See, this is my first file using Python. So that line is already written in the file. So this way you can write. Another function is there. If you want to write number of lines, then you can use write lines. Let me take one list here for some lines. So L equal to first line. Now first line, then /n. Second line, /n. Similarly, third line, this slash. Okay, third line third line. So like that you can continue number of lines in one list. Now these lines I want to write in my text file together. So write lines, then you pass that list object into this function as parameter L. So let me check. Now it will display in this manner. See, first line, second line, third line. And one thing you have observed, that is overwriting the data. Earlier whatever I have written, that is overwritten over here. So to avoid this problem, we have one more mode, that is called append mode. So we can use append mode to write data from existing file. So that we will use in next video. But in this manner you can write lines also. Multiple lines can be written in this manner. And these lines ending characters you have to compulsorily mention in this writing data. Otherwise what happens? It will write in same line. See, just I am removing this character because in text file every line is ending with /n. That I have already explained in previous video. If you have missed that video, watch that video. It is available in I button and description as well. So see, here I have removed that. So that is coming in single line only. So when line ends, you need to enter /line whenever you want to start a new line. So /n will be used for that purpose. Now here we have completed the writing part. Now let me go for reading part. How to read this content and how to print that file contents into output screen. It is also little bit simple. Let me create one more file, f1 equal to the same thing, but only mode we have to change. So here mode is R. So in place of W, just write R. Everything will be similar. Then use f.read. F.read, then f.close. So here we have completed the task. Now I want to display this data. So for that purpose, you have to initialize one object. Then this object should be printed in the output screen. See, now we need not to open that text file to review the data. Okay, IO operation on closed file. Let me check. F1. Okay, F1 should be written over here. Okay, because we have created another object. See, so here you will see that, and last one is blank file. Here you can see. Okay, so last one is /n, that is new blank file is there, that is printed. So in this manner you can write this data. That blank file is coming due to this reason, because at last line we have used /n. Now let me check one more time, and here that line is disappeared. So in this manner you can read data and write data into text file. Now here every time I have to use this f.close and f1.close like that. But I don't want to use this close method. If sometimes my program is very lengthy and the length is more, text is written in so many lines. So in that case what we can do, we can avoid this thing f.close by using with option. So here I am creating the same object but using with. So here you have to write with, then the function with open as f. So here this is the first part. Now indent this part, indent region. Similarly with open for this as f1. It is very simple. Then indent region like this. So here f.close is not required, and it will print our data whatever we have written in the text. See, the same task it is doing, but we have ignored that f.close. So if sometimes we miss to write f.close, that time also the file content will be coming from that particular file. So I hope you understand this concept. Now you try yourself, create one file, read that data, write something in your text file, and if you have still any doubts, you can comment in the video. comment section. I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, share the video to your friends and classmates. And if you are watching my channel first time, watching my video first time, subscribe the channel and press the bell notification icon. Thank you very much once again for watching this video. We will meet in next video with another operations of file. Keep watching, keep learning.